It's possible no two words impacted our way of life in 2020 more than social distancing. They made us more familiar with other terms like essential business and remote work, requiring us all to sometimes learn new ways to complete familiar tasks. Estate planning is one of those things that saw an overhaul due to social distancing. More than 50% of Americans 55 years and older didn't have a will or other key estate planning documents, and the new flood of people doing so were met with a bit of irony. Only 23 states allowed remote witnessing and a notarization prior to the pandemic. So, in response to 2021's pandemic-fueled challenges, here are 5 things you can do to master estate planning this year without leaving your home. Know your estate planning basics. Estate planning is more complex than having a will. It's a web of legal documents, titles, and processes, from living wills to powers of attorney, trusts, and more. Learning the basics will help you understand which vehicle will be best for you, your assets, and your family's future. Designate beneficiaries and assets. Real estate, cash wealth investments, and even settlement property like cars, jewelry, and family heirlooms are all tangible assets that make up your personal estate. And if you die without organizing and providing instructions for the transfer of these assets in something like a will, you are not guaranteed that they will be passed on as you wish. Much of this inventory can be done on your own, but if you have a large estate and the means of paying for the help of an attorney, it could be a good idea to hire one to review your estate or even just survey the assets you should include. Name your agent, executors, trustees. Just as important as the property you wish to pass on are the people you choose to manage them. A will or a trust will require an executor. A trustee is another title designated to the person tasked with managing a trust. Depending on the type of power of attorney you create, you may act as your own agent or designate a trusted individual to act on your behalf. Write or update your will. You do not need an attorney in order to write a will. Once you have stock of your estate, you are free to draft up your wishes on your own. Just keep in mind that there are common legal contentions to the validity of wills, including possibility of fraud. And that leads us to use remote notarization. Notarization, of course, is an integral part of ensuring your estate planning is legal. In response to COVID-19, many states amended their emergency remote notarization and remote witnessing orders. Research the specific remote notarization laws and requirements in your home state, be it a comprehensive list of the existing notarization laws or a timeline of how and when states amended laws to enable remote notarization, and take advantage of services like notarize.com. The process typically consists of a notary assisting you via a video call, walking through security steps, and often e-signing important documents. We're eForms, the biggest online database of legal documents. We've got even more information about estate planning and free estate planning documents at the link below this video. So click the link and don't forget to subscribe for more.